Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on CKB. Recently, after breaking out this falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart, the price of CKB started a very nice move to the upside, and it was very close to hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. That target is by the way here at the top of the wedge point at point 0.00785 dollar, and you can see that the price then rallied up to point 0.00655 dollar. It got rejected by this uptrend line resistance. Let me show you once again on the daily time frame. And for a while, the price had moved above this resistance, but again moved down. And if you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that it is completely rejected by this uptrend line resistance. That falls, by the way, this uptrend line resistance has been previously acting as a support of this big up channel, and now it is acting as a resistance. And now we are about to hit this point. That was the recent swing low point before the breakout from this previous recent falling wedge pattern. And that point is here at point 0.0034 dollar. That is, in fact, another very long-term support. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart once again, then you can see at this point, 0.0034 dollar has been previously working as a support here and resistance here. You can see that we got rejection here. If I remove these trend lines, you can see that we got rejection here. Here it was working as support, and here for several weeks it was working as a support as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a strong support for the price line of CKB. And I would also like to show this very huge falling wedge pattern that is formed here on the 7-day time frame chart. And right now we are testing the support of this bigger falling wedge pattern. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of May 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for TST, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this signal I shared on 10th of May 2025. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup. If buying's on, sell target's on, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of CKB. And here you can see that, first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that we broke out this wedge. By the way, since after 3rd of Feb 2025, it was moving inside this wedge. We had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection, bounce, rejection. And after getting squeezed, finally, we broke out the resistance of the wedge. And after the breakout, the pricing got rejected by this long-term resistance of $0.0053, moved up, and now we are again moved down, and we are about to test this recent swing low point before the breakout from this falling wedge pattern. And this point is here at $0.0034. That is, in fact, a very long-term support as well. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see previously it has been acting, this point $0.0034 has been acting as a support here for the breakout. Here it was working as support. And before that, it was acting as a resistance here, support here, and support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a support for the price line. But before that, we also have this very nice downtrend line support of a huge falling wedge pattern as well. Therefore, it will be difficult for the price line to hit the support of $0.0034. However, it is possible that we may just have a spike up to that support. And after that, the pricing can be recovered back. This downtrend line has been, by the way, previously breaking as a resistance here, and resistance here. And now after the breakout, it is flipped into a support. You can see that we had a bounce here, another bounce here, another bounce here. And this time we can expect another bounce. And here we have the resistance of this big falling wedge pattern as well. By the way, the technical target for this smaller falling wedge pattern is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at $0.0078. And if the price then breaks out the bigger falling wedge pattern, then target for this breakout will be here at the top of this bigger falling wedge pattern. That will be somewhere between 3.5 cents to 4 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.